In this tutorial you will learn how to view product service request from the customer. Step 1. Click on Orders link on the seller dashboard. Step 2. Click on Product Service. What is product service? Product service is the option provided for customer. If the product is defective or not working well, customer can request the product service from the seller. Seller need to provide service directly to customer by sending the brand service person or private service person, or if unable to resolve the issue, seller can pick up the product by initiating to widerwings. Step 3. Click on View button. In this demo video, customer return reason is cooling system problem. Refrigerator is not getting cool. Seller having two options. 1. Pick up the product from the customer. 2. Arrange for technical assistance. If you wish to pick up the product from the customer, then select Pickup option. Step 4. Click on Pickup form to continue the pickup process. Step 5. Type the return initiation reason in the reason box provided. This reason will help you to recognize the product when this product returned to your shop. Step 6. Click on Return button to complete the process.